Hi everyone. So a lot of you have seen my doodle art that I do. If you haven't, I'll put some pictures here in the video so you can see the kind of work I do. But I've decided to try to sell some coloring pages around the theme of the impeachment that is going on right now. And this is one of them, and I'll put pictures of the rest of them up. I have 5 pages, and each of those pages is themed around impeaching Donald Trump, getting rid of Donald Trump. You all know how much I can't stand him, correct? The Cheeto Dusted Fuckwit, as I'm fond of calling him. Anyway, here's another one. I'm going to be selling these 5 designs. They will be printed out on really good quality cardstock, and all 5 of them for $10 plus $2 shipping and handling. And I'm doing that to try to save money so that I can get the repairs done on Howie. As most of you know, I have been having a lot of problems with Howie's engine, and it is now diagnosed as what I was hoping it wouldn't be, which is the catalytic converter. It is cracked. And so it has to be replaced. I wanted to cut it off and put a straight pipe on, but that's against the law apparently, so I'm having to get it replaced. So in an effort to raise money to do that, I am selling these coloring sheets. All 5 of them for $10 plus $2 shipping and handling. And there will be information about how to order them at the end of the video. You know, coloring these in will help you deal with the stress of the impeachment hearings and give you some good Zen vibes. But if you don't want to color them in yourself and you like the designs, I will be offering the colored in versions as well once I get them all colored in. So I will be keeping you posted about that. Hopefully, those of you out there that feel the same way I do about our 45th president will be interested in these coloring pages. And I look forward to hearing from those of you who want them, because I really need to raise the money to repair Howie. Thanks for checking it out.